Looking to keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger? Introducing the iRobot Roomba 694, a smart, user-friendly robotic vacuum that redefines convenience in home cleaning. With its sleek, premium design, the Roomba 694 blends seamlessly into any modern home decor while taking the hassle out of daily floor cleaning. This model can be easily controlled using the iRobot Home app or through voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, so you can set it to handle everyday dirt, dust, and debris, all at your convenience. Its automatic height-adjusting cleaning head adapts effortlessly to both carpets and hard floors, delivering a thorough clean across different surfaces. One of the standout features of the Roomba 694 is its adaptive navigation system. With a suite of advanced sensors, it intelligently navigates under and around furniture, cleans along edges, and avoids falling down stairs thanks to Cliff Detect technology. This model is designed to learn and adapt to your home's layout, ensuring no area is missed during its 90-minute runtime. After each cleaning session, it automatically returns to its home base for recharging, so it's always ready for the next job. Compact and lightweight, the Roomba 694 is ideal for any home and requires no assembly, making it as easy to set up as it is to use. Ready to make cleaning hassle-free with the iRobot Roomba 694? With over 25,000 positive reviews and a 4.2-star rating, this robotic vacuum is a crowd favorite. Find the link in the description to order yours today and experience a smarter way to keep your floors clean. Whether you have pets, kids, or a busy schedule, the Roomba 694 has your cleaning needs covered, effortlessly.